Hello and welcome to another video. Today you're going to be watching the unboxing video for the Clover Go Dock. So once you get your Clover Go Dock box, you're going to go ahead and open it like this. And right inside you're going to see the charger. You're going to notice that it comes with this sticker in case you want to stick it to a counter. To take this part from the top off, put the Clover in, put the Clover Go in, and then you can put the top part and assemble it. And there you go. You have your Clover Go Dock ready to go. You can set it up somewhere so it's easy for people to pay. I'm gonna put the chip card here, and if they pay with Apple Pay, they're gonna go ahead and tap it on the top. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.